Conversation between Mahendra Bahubali and Devsena. Movie Bahubali 2. Devsena, it's an honor to finally meet you.
The honor is all mine, Mahendra Bahubali. I have heard so much about you.
I hope it's all good things.
Of course, you have become a legend in our kingdom. Your bravery and heroism have inspired us all.
Thank you, Devsena, but I must say, your own courage and wisdom have not gone unnoticed. You are a true warrior and leader.
I appreciate your kind words. But tell me, what brings you to our kingdom?
I have come to seek your help in defeating the tyrant Balaladeva. He has seized control of our kingdom and is ruling with an iron fist.
I see. And how do you plan to defeat him?
With your help, we can gather an army and fight against him. Your military expertise and strategic mind would be invaluable in this battle.
I am willing to help in any way I can. But I must warn you, this will not be an easy fight.
I understand the risks, but I believe that with the two of us working together, we can overcome any challenge.
Balaladeva is a formidable opponent.
Thank you, Devsena. Together, we will restore peace to our kingdoms and bring justice to our people.
Very well, Mahendra. Let us begin our preparations for battle.
Devsena, I have been thinking about the battle ahead. I am worried about the safety of our people. We cannot afford to lose innocent lives.
I understand your concern, Mahendra Bahubali. Our people are the foundation of our kingdoms. We must do everything in our power to protect them.
That's why I was thinking, instead of a full-scale battle, we could try to find a peaceful resolution to this conflict.
A peaceful resolution? That is a noble idea, but do you really think Balaladeva would agree to that?
It may be difficult, but we owe it to our people to try. We cannot allow their lives to be put in danger because of our thirst for power.
I see your point, Mahendra. But we must be prepared for any outcome. If Balaladeva refuses to negotiate, we may have no other choice but to fight.
I understand that, Devsena. But let's explore every option before we resort to violence.
Very well, Mahendra. I will support you in any decision you make. We will find a way to protect our people and bring peace to our kingdoms.
Thank you, Devsena. With your help, I am sure we can achieve anything. Let's work together to make our kingdoms strong and prosperous. Devsena, I wanted to talk to you about something else. I have been thinking about our future and the legacy we will leave behind.
Our future and legacy? What do you mean, Mahendra?
Well, we have both fought for our kingdoms and our people, but there is more to life than just battles and wars. I want to create a better world for our children and future generations.
I see what you mean. But how do you plan to achieve that?
By building a strong and prosperous kingdom, with equal opportunities for all. A kingdom where people can live peacefully and fulfill their dreams.
But it will not be easy. There will be challenges and obstacles to overcome.
I know it won't be easy, but I believe it's worth it. We owe it to our people and to our children. And with your help, I know we can make it happen.
I will stand by your side, Mahendra Bahubali. Together, we will build a better future for our kingdoms and our people.
Thank you, Devsena. With you as my partner, I know we can achieve anything we set our minds to. Let's work together to create a legacy that our children will be proud of.